This beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. Work my body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my puppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let's see you want to some. I can't stop.
Hello beautiful family, today is wash day and I actually washed my hair with the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. This is a natural shampoo and it reminds me of my DIY shampoo that I made a video on. I will leave a link to that video on the screen, but this shampoo that I use is actually very clarifying and I love it. It's nice if you like peppermint. As usual, I'm using my Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer. I've been using this oil for 7 entire years, which is how long I had my locks. I like to massage, give my hair a nice massage for about 5 minutes so that it can just keep the blood, circulating and flowing so that your hair will be nice and thick and healthy and it will grow. So I also apply oil to the ends of my hair. I didn't show it in the video, but I did have olive oil in the palm of my hands and I mixed a little bit with the Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer, and this is what keeps my hair nice and shiny and healthy. When you're retwisting your locks, you always want to make sure your hair is damped. There's never a time you retwist your hair dry. So I like to section my hair by using my toothbrush. This is only for my hair. I have my spray bottle here to dampen my roots. My hair is freshly washed, but my hair tends to dry very quickly, so I like to just apply a little bit of water to the roots and just get my section neat. So since I'm doing 2-strand twists, I am actually just gonna have 2 locks and I'm going to be using those 2 locks to do the twist, and you're gonna twist the 2 sections of locks together and you're gonna go left over right until the end of the section is reached. So left over right, and you just continually do that until the end of the lock. At the end, I like to actually turn my locks inward and then apply a rubber band. It's your choice if you want to just apply the rubber band at the end, but I do that so that the end looks a lot neater. When you're applying a rubber band, you want to make sure you're not putting it on too tight. Rubber bands are not great for locks either. It's not something that I usually do. It's not very common that I do this. So like doing it here and there wouldn't be very harmful, but you just want to be very careful on using rubber bands on your hair in general. No matter what you do, you want to kind of avoid it as much as you can. And you don't want to leave this style in for too long either. So I'd say the max you should leave a hairstyle in is about 5 to 7 days, in my opinion.
You're so sweet, that you got me feeling away. Look at this mess that we made, so sticky, but I can't keep away from you, man. All day, oh, you come to, I would gladly give it all up for you, boy. I ain't, okay, one more time. Wavy, I'm wavy, yeah, wavy, oh, baby, oh, baby, you're so sweet, that you got me feeling away. Look at this mess that we made, so sticky, but I can't keep away from you, man. All day, oh, I come to, I would gladly give it all up for you. yeah, yo.